So what we're gonna do now, we have to replace this metal door.
Yeah.
And the biggest issue is this type of special bolts. So basically this one-way bolt, and let me show you the solution, how can you unscrew it. Alright, so the way it works, you need a screwdriver and this type of key. Basically, we made a trim here, how to say it? Trim. So to unscrew it. And let me show you how it's gonna work. It works. Small tape.
Yeah, I got it. Done. Молодец.
nice